Every great court has a story. Years of sun, weather, and heavy use eventually take their toll on even the best recreational surfaces. But with proper preparation and the Tuff Court coating system, aging courts can be transformed into vibrant, durable playing surfaces ready for years of recreation. Today, we're taking you through the complete resurfacing of this court in Southern Pines, North Carolina. Every successful resurfacing project begins with understanding the condition of the existing court. Inspect for surface wear, coating failure, cracks, and any areas requiring repair before resurfacing begins. Preparation is one of the most important steps in the resurfacing process. Ramuc Clean and Prep removes dirt, mildew, oils, and other contaminants that can interfere with coating adhesion. A properly prepared surface allows the Tuff Court system to perform exactly as designed, while helping maximize durability and appearance. Before resurfacing begins, any necessary repairs should be completed using industry-approved repair methods. Once the repairs are complete, the court is ready for resurfacing. A surfacer is applied to create a smooth, consistent foundation for the color coatings. With the surface properly prepared, the transformation can begin. Now the transformation begins. Tuff Court elastomeric coatings are engineered to deliver outstanding durability, flexibility, vibrant color retention, and consistent playability. Applied in controlled sections, the blue coating establishes the foundation of the finished playing surface. As coverage builds across the court, years of wear disappear beneath a rich, uniform finish. Next, the contrasting green playing areas are installed. The premium elastomeric coating creates vibrant color while delivering the durability needed to withstand years of recreation and exposure to the elements. With each pass, the finished court begins to take shape. Once the color coats have been completed, the court is carefully measured and taped. Precision at this stage ensures crisp, professional game lines and a finished court that looks as good as it performs. The final step is applying the game lines. As the tape is removed, sharp white lines reveal the finished court, completing the transformation. What began as a weathered, worn playing surface has been transformed into a vibrant recreational space built for years of performance. From preparation to the final game lines, every step contributes to a professional result. But it's the Tuff Court coating system that delivers the durability, appearance, and playability today's facilities demand. Whether you're resurfacing tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, or multi-sport facilities, Tuff Court helps bring aging courts back to life. Transform, protect, perform. That's the Tuff Court difference.